Welcome to Colombia! Welcome, wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank and I run a tour operator in Colombia. I present you Alfredo. He's my local operator here in La Guajira. We are now doing a trip to different destinations, and we just passed by Manaure, where we have the salt mines. And now we arrived to the capital of the Indigenous of Colombia, to Uribia.
Right, welcome everybody to Uribia. We are now in the central square of the town. The name is Plaza Colombia.
So let's go and make a little tour before then we head off to Cabo de la Vela, but this will be then a separate video. So that's organized quite well here on the square. Everything is in the shadow around it, so many sellers mounted their outdoor stores with their beautiful handcraft, with the mochilas. And for sure you get the mochilas cheaper here than in Bogota, and you won't have that many intermediaries, because from the rancherias, the towns, I mean, you call them towns, but sometimes it's just 5 to 10 cabins where the families live. They bring their work here, and this is where most of the trade happens, of all the artisanian works. Oh, that's it. There was not that much. So this town is actually very hot. The sun is very strong. The good thing is it's dry. It's desert climate, so it won't feel as hot as in Cartagena, for example. For me, one of the most beautiful we have in Colombia is really the Wayuu fashion. Beautiful. And also we saw in the past that high fashion now is including their fashion. So there you go. You can buy, like in many marketplaces in Colombia, here you can buy everything. Whatever you need. Hey Colombia traveler! Do not miss out on the great additional information we always provide below in the description sections of all our videos. Now back to the video.
¿Cómo la guaireña?
Oh, a flip-flop made of car tires. That's perfect. Nice. So, Phil and I will go for something cold to drink and maybe something little to eat. And I think that's everything we showed from Uribia and Manaure. And now we're going to Cabo de la Vela, but this will be another video. So, take care wherever you are. I hope you are good and hope to see you soon here on my channel again, or even better, here in Colombia. Take care, all the best. Just call me Frank. Bye bye.